Here's official Philips Hue app, the Philips Hue experience. Control your whole home with a bridge or one room with Bluetooth. Use scenes designed by experts or created by you. Smart home security in palm of your hand. Tomato lights, surround lighting, connect smart devices via Matter. So, pretty cool, like essential app. If you really wanna have this experience with all this lightning, so it can be pretty cool either for your office, home office, or just if you like this these colors, you can then just set it up. Of course, there are a lot of other Chinese apps and like Lotus Lantern app or something like that, but this is for Philips devices, where you can just open it up and connect them and try the demo, try lights with AR. So for example, here is a demo. And then you can see control lights in different rooms, see colorful things. So bright, Tokyo. And then you can just adjust all of that. That's kind of the idea, how you control it. And then you can just shop these smart lights, and you can see all of these either lamps, depending on which country you are in, either strips, and then you can just control them. So that's kind of the idea.